Wagwan fam. I told you that we were going to do something with this. So we're going to do something with it. What do you do after your first flush with one of these? Well, you go for flush number deuce. So, all you need to do is hydrate this block. We're going to pull this bad boy out. Yeah. Look how beautiful that is, real quick. We love it. But there's still some nutrients in there. I bet you your second flush won't be as good as your first flush, but you know, I'll bet you they will give us some more munchies. And after this thing stops and it's obvious that it will no longer fruit, I will tell you what to do with the spent blocks. First thing we do with this, to rehydrate, find something that it fits in that's waterproof. Stick it in with the hole down, all right? We're going to fill this bad boy up with water. Aqua. Again, kind of sucks. My water here is terrible, so we're going to use store-bought water. If there was any other option, believe me, I would be using it. Oh, yeah. And they purposely put this thing right here so it would splash all over God's creation. It's really nice of them. You don't have to be nearly as sloppy as me. Find a spot, do your thing. Although it does help if you are as sloppy as me, because it makes mushrooms feel better. Now, this thing's floating. What are we going to do about it? We're going to put something heavy on top. So, let's find something heavy. Oh, shit. This is my Illuminati globe, which proves to other YouTubers that I'm in the Illuminati. Let's see if this will hold it down. Yeah, I'm not so sure about the stability here. You know, let's just put a bunch of shit on top of it. What do I got here? Some rubbing alcohol. My Illuminati globe. I don't know about this Illuminati globe thing. My other jug of water. Okay, yeah, okay. I know what we can do. My creativity is blooming now that I'm in front of an audience. Yeah, you ain't going nowhere, son. All right, so most people let this soak for about 24 hours to fold. However, here at the Emptiness Engine, we overdo everything. I want this guy to be so full of water and happy and delighted with its life. I'm going to let it soak for 2 days. 2 guys, 2. And then I'll finish the video. So there's no point in, just posting this. I'll wait till it's time to put these back in fruiting conditions. And we'll make one video. So see you then, Wagwan. All right, Wagwan. For me, it has been 2 days of existential dread and suffering, but for you, it has only been but a moment. This is the magic of video. So, it's been soaking for 2 days. We're going to move our Illuminati globe. By the way, I'm in the Illuminati. And got to take all this heavy stuff off. Alrighty. We got a big red bucket here. It has to be red because I said so. Dump out this water, son. That's right. Yeah. So we're gonna let this drip. I'm gonna use this little colander here, which kind of looks like a steering wheel of some steampunk operation. But I'm gonna take this guy and we're gonna let him drain for a bit. Again, through the magic of video, time will pass and you will have no idea. I'll be right back. Well, get up and monkey down with the sickness. Ah, yes, time has passed as it always does. The inevitable march. Now, so it's been draining for a bit. I'm very scientific about this. I like to let it drain for exactly as long as I feel like it. So we're going to put this back into its container, which has seen better days, it appears. However, it's going to happen. It's going to happen right now, right in front of your face. See, there's where we put the original hole. I'm actually going to peel off some of this mycelium that grew out while it was in the bag. There's the hole. Bada bing, bada boom. How you like me now? You know, by the way, like and subscribing. Like 12 times, like 12 times and subscribe, and then, you know, I mean, this is good stuff I'm giving you here. I mean, what would you do without me? You'd have to deal with like the other 1,200 videos on the internet, which are obviously inferior, you know, to what we're doing here. Gonna put him in a Martha tent. Back in fruiting conditions, just like before. We're gonna squirt the Martha tent down once a day and fan it. Since we're in here, however, our other little guy has started to look at him. He's a little puffball. See, look how cute that little puffball is. Anyhow, this is the way you want to get a second flush out of a fruiting block. My friends. And now it is time for me to post this video. Thank you. Peace, love, rock and roll, cuckoo, cachoo, all right?